Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I just wanted to show you my Gundam Sazabi, my Gundam Universe Sazabi here, and on the right side here is the RG Sazabi, right? And the Gundam Universe Sazabi stands basically almost as tall as the RG Sazabi, right? And there are a few things that I want to tell you about this Gundam Universe Sazabi. The first is that mine came with a few parts that were supposed to be already attached or installed loose. And one of those parts was this front right skirt here. And this part has two pegs. One on the corner here and pointing to the inside, and the other is a much smaller peg pointing to the side just below it. You can't see it from here, and for that reason it was very difficult to put that part back together properly, because otherwise the smaller peg underneath the main peg would be showing from the front if you didn't install that part properly, right? And you wouldn't be able to secure the front skirt part properly unless you put that smaller peg properly into a very tight small space, right? And those two front skirt parts I think were supposed to be installed before this middle ground part was fixed in the factory. But mine came loose. And I've seen a few videos of other people where one of those two front skirt parts is installed incorrectly. So they have the smaller safety pack showing from the front in the gap, and that is an improper installation of the front skirt part. So bear that in mind if you're buying one of these, right? And two other things that I want to mention is that, or three, I had difficulty putting these two funnel racks onto his or her back unit, because the tie was very small or very hard to slot these two racks into the backpack unit, and I don't think a child would be able to do it. It could be because I hurt my index finger a few weeks ago and it hasn't actually healed completely, so I cannot use my index finger while putting these two funnel racks onto his backpack unit, right? And I'm also having difficulty putting these two fuel tanks onto his back units. And be careful with his delicate antennas here, right, on his head. So overall, although this looks like a toy and feels like a toy, it is not necessarily a toy because of these things, right? And she's also a bit heavier than the RG Sazabi, right? She's not as